Hi, my name is Christopher. Now we're going to talk about quantum computer. First and foremost, what is a quantum computer? Nowadays, why most of the tech giants such as Google, Amazon, IBM, Facebook are using them. Quantum computing harnesses the phenomena of quantum mechanics to deliver a huge leap forward in computation to solve certain problems. When it comes to classical computers, manipulate ones and zeros to crunch through operations. But quantum computers use quantum bits and qubits. Just like classical computers, quantum computers use ones and zeros, but qubits have a third state called superposition that allows them to represent a 1 or a 0 at the same time. Do we actually need a quantum computer? For some problems, supercomputers aren't that super. Until now. We've relied on supercomputers to solve most problems. These are very large classical computers, often with thousands of classical CPU and GPU cores. However, supercomputers aren't very good at solving certain types of problems, which seem easy at first glance. This is why we need quantum computers. How do quantum computers work? And its mechanism and design will be explained in the next part. Thank you, this is Ceds Tech, and do subscribe for more tech content like this.